big cell is 5, 2, 3, and 2 more, so 10 millimeters. Quality of ECG is okay, so we can continue assessment of this card. Next, pacemaker. Look at second standard lead, this one, and search for P wave. Are the P waves? No, it's either electric line. There are no P waves, so rhythm is non-sinus. Next, this distance is longer than this one and this one. So distances are different. Rhythm is irregular. There is non-sinus arrhythmia. Non-sinus arrhythmia is named miliary arrhythmia or atrial fibrillation. Next step, heart rate. So we need to take these distances, count average number, 60 over this number, and speed of tape, if it is not written, 25 millimeters per second. In other cases, it will be written. Using formula, we will count heart rate, and we will find that there is tachycardia. I don't know how much beats, so we need to count it. If somebody is interested in it, let's do it. 5, 10, 15, 5 plus 6, 8, 5 plus 4, 9, so it's enough. 15. So, and 60 over this number, multiply by below. Multiply by 0.042. Speed of tape is 25. For it's 25. So what is the result? Arrhythmia, yeah, it is atrial fibrillation, tachy type.
Non-sinus tachyarrhythmia.
Yeah, but final disease, final conclusion is tachy. No, tachy type, tachy form of atrial fibrillation. It is final conclusion. But this step by step we'll find tachycardia, arrhythmia, and arrhythmia is non-sinus. Next one, electric axis of the heart. So, R waves. R wave is absent or very small, less than 1 millimeter. This one is 5 millimeters. This one is 5 plus 3, 4 more. So it is 8, 9 millimeters. So this one is the biggest one. The biggest R wave in the left hand. It is shift to the left. So, in this way, we do the assessment of the first step.
What is the meaning of shift to left means?
So
We
this
assess
part-
which one is bigger. Shift of electrical axis of the heart is one of the criteria of hypertrophy of the ventricle. We'll speak about it a little bit further. This card quality is okay. P wave is here. Rhythm is regular if we will compare these two complexes. So rhythm is sinus, rhythm is regular. Heart rate, we need to count it using formula. Electrical axis of the heart. This one is small, this one is small, this one is the biggest one. So it is shift of the electrical axis of the heart to the left. In this case, it's because of right parts of the heart. It's left ventricle, but right parts of the left ventricle have a myocardial infarction. That's why electrical axis is changed. Why myocardial infarction? In these leads, T wave is negative. It's abnormal case. These leads are normal. AVR will have turned card always. You will see always absence of R wave and negative P wave. It is normal case. In abnormal case it will be changed. T wave is negative. These waves are okay. No R wave, there is deep Q wave. And ST segment is not on isoelectric line, it's elevated. T wave is doublet. It is topic of our future lesson. But you can see that there are no R waves, there is QS wave. It is myocardial infarction.
Doctor, when you want to find the rhythm of the heart rate, why you checking only in
Second
second
standard lead. In this lead, R wave is better visible. This case, quality, P wave is present, absent, present, present. So something wrong in this place. Everywhere P wave is present, written as sinus, but except this place. Next, this distance, this one and this one, they are not equal. There is arrhythmia. Arrhythmia in this place again. This distance is shorter than this one and this one. Next, to count heart rate, we need to count average numbers and use the formula. Next is electrical axis of the heart. This one is 10, 12 millimeters. This one is about 5. This one is about 1 millimeter. We measure only positive part. We don't measure negative one. This one is S wave. It's not R wave. R wave is 1 millimeter wave. So there is shift of the electrical axis of the heart to the left. These complexes are abnormal. They look different from another one. It is a extrasystole. It is topic of our third lesson. Quality is okay. P wave is here. Rhythm is regular, but there is tachycardia. This distance is too short. There is no isoelectric line between T wave and P wave. That's why it is tachycardia. QRS complex is deformed. Something wrong with QRS complex. R wave is doublet. R deep S. R S R wave. So there is conductive problem. Which one is topic of our last lesson? Quality is not written here because of it is part of real card. It's not full card. P, 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 P. Rhythm is regular here. Look at this part. Long distance, short distance, and shorter. So rhythm is irregular. There is arrhythmia, but rhythm is sinus. If we will count heart rate, somewhere it is written. Speed of tape, it's written in this card. So look for speed of tape. Heart rate is not written.
10 millimeters.
10 millimeters is the standard wave. So if it's not written, you need to count it yourself. Electrical axis of the heart. This one is the biggest one. So electrical axis is shifted to the left. Not a problem. Wave, P wave, P wave, P wave. Rhythm is sinus. Rhythm is regular. Distance is short. There is tachycardia. 141 beats per minute. Electrical axis is shifted to the left. So our conclusion is sinus tachycardia, because of there is P is pacemaker, it is sinus, and tachycardia, it is sinus tachycardia. No P waves, distance is short, it is tachycardia, QRS complex is deformed. It is ventricular tachycardia. Patient is dying.
What is this, doctor?
Artifact. It's nothing. It's just machine problems. Maybe patient moved. Yeah. This one is first stage of clinical death. If patient is still conscious, he will lose consciousness in seconds or minutes. P, it is T, no P. So rhythm is sinus except this place. And there is arrhythmia in this place. Electrical axis of the heart. This one and this are equal. This one is smaller. That's why 4 plus 4, 8. Yeah, they are equal. That's why electrical axis of the heart, if you will conclude normal, it will not mistake. If you will conclude shifted to the left, it's not mistake too. Really, it is horizontal. But as for me, it's not so bad mistake if you will conclude it like a normal or shifted to the left. This place. P waves are small but present. If you are not sure, look at another leads. P waves are here, but visible. P. In this place, everything look okay. P waves are here. Rhythm is is regular. Wave segments and intervals are not changed. In this place, there is arrhythmia. Which one we will speak in last lesson. Electrical axis of the heart. This wave is the biggest one. It is normal electrical axis of the heart. This card. P. Rhythm is sinus. Rhythm is regular. QRS complex is abnormal here. In other places, mostly normal. Electrical axis of the heart. This one bigger than this one, but this one is bigger than this one too. This problem is because of patient had myocardial infarction previously. That's why electrical axis of the heart is not detectable by simple method. And also there is one more pathology. P wave look bigger than even R wave. It is hypertrophy of the right atrium. Big P waves. Put it to another place. Don't shake it with another cards, we will need it later. This card, no P waves, rhythm is regular, 128 beats per minute. It is non-sinus tachycardia. No P waves, that's why non-sinus tachycardia, that's why non-sinus tachycardia. Quality, P maybe, P, yeah. But previous distance is too long, so something is wrong with conductive system. There is arrhythmia and rhythm is sinus. Electrical axis. This one is the biggest one. That's why it is normal one. Let's count some. I'm interested. 7 plus 2 more, 9. It's about 10. Maybe it's working. This case, P plus short distance. So there is sinus rhythm, there is tachycardia. Rhythm is regular. Another pathologies we will discuss in future. These are wave bigger than this one and this one. So it is shift of electrical axis of the heart to the left, levogram. quality. Next P, P, P waves. This one is Q, R small, S, and next is T segment. So something is wrong. It is topic of our future lesson. Rhythm is regular. And electrical axis. This wave is the biggest one because of this one is absent, this one is absent too. It is shift of the electrical axis of the heart to the left. This one for future. P, P. Rhythm is sinus, but is it rhythmical or not? We don't know. We need one more complex. It's not enough to have only two complexes. Electrical axis. The biggest is this one. Bigger than this. So electrical axis is normal. PQ interval is very long. Normally it should be 0.2 seconds. 0.2 seconds is maximum 5 millimeters, including P wave itself. So there is abnormal conduction from the P wave to the ventricles. Topic of our last lesson. P, 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 P plus tachycardia. So there is sinus tachycardia. Quality is okay. The beta star wave is here. So it is levogram. What is pacemaker?
Different cardiomyocytes.
Different cardiomyocytes in the ventricles. It is ventricular fibrillation. Next stage of the clinical death. First one is ventricular tachycardia, next is ventricular fibrillation, and last one is asystole. Quality P waves, rhythm is regular. Electrical axis of the heart, the biggest one is here. Shift to the right. We'll need this card for future. There is hypertrophy of the right ventricle. P waves. Rhythm is regular, so it is sinus, regular rhythm. Electrical axis, this one is the biggest. It's shifted to the left. So, is it clear how to do assessment of the ECG card? Simple assessment for the first steps. So, let's go further.